Have you ever had a dream that came true? Today, come with me to Dinwiddie, Virginia, where you will see a 20-year-old dream come to life right before your eyes. Before we get to the house, I'd like to take a drive by the Pablum Historic Park of the Civil War soldier, because it's right across the street. Dinwiddie, Virginia is right outside of Petersburg, but it feels like a million miles away. As we go down the street, I want to introduce myself. I am Debra Alexander, and this is Great Home Deal. On this channel, we talk about real estate, interior design, staging, and alternative living solutions, because these are my passions. You look mighty pretty.
Thank you.
You go very well with your kitchen.
Yes.
Yes.
You love the colors.
And we're excited. I do. I love the colors. Okay, Jocelyn, tell me a little bit more about this kitchen.
Okay, so when we started this design, I knew that I wanted to use the original cabinetry. I didn't know how much or how little I was going to do with that. As we started kind of playing around with the layout, the design, we started to notice that the original sink was about the size of this piece of furniture here. Yes, this is a dresser. And this actually had doors on it that came with this dresser. And then it had 3 drawers, but because of the piping, we weren't able to do 3 drawers. So we kept this drawer so it still slides in and out. And then we built the inside of the cabinet for cleaning products and things of that sort. What I love about this is the original cabinet wasn't centered. I think I shot this wrong. Yeah, there we go. The center cabinet wasn't originally centered or closely centered to the window. It was more sitting over here. When we started looking at the existing cabinetry, it was going to be hard to really move the sink down, even though we added new countertops, just because of the placement of the doors and things didn't make sense. So what we did is we found a piece of furniture and repurposed it, and there are plenty of storage for silverware, cookware, you name it, whatever you want, towels. We also took these, again, because of the sink and the piping, and we made where you can hold your sponges and your little necessities.
Wow, brilliant. Just brilliant. I mean, how many people can have a kitchen that's 23 feet wide and make it as custom as you have, with furniture and with open shelving and with utilizing the original doors from the 60s, and just have a complete, I mean, not a little kitchen, a big kitchen. Okay, we're going to my favorite part of the house. Let me see if I can give a full view of why this is my favorite room. Look at the tile, the floor tile. Look at the bathroom, shower, bottom, and all the tile work. And we're going to hear from Jocelyn in just a moment. She's going to explain to us how this bathroom came about and why it is so lovely. So Jocelyn, tell us about this bathroom.
Okay, so this bathroom space that you're in currently was a pantry off of the laundry room. So behind me was where the old door was.